Editing the tweak components. I can edit the value of a tweak component. I can do that by right clicking down on the action. So let's say I want to come down into this lock nut and I'm going to right click and I can say edit time and I'm going to change my duration to say just 2 seconds. Okay, I can say okay, and I'm going to do that for each one of them to make it uniform, essentially, because they're all stacked on top of each other. And I can also change, say, the amount of distance in a move tweak. So I'll do that next. So let's say I come down here and I'll come all the way down to these bolts and I'll right click on the bolt and say edit tweak. And in the tweak, see how the distance is 140. If I really want that thing to be 150, I'll say I'll okay that. And if I want to come down and do the second bolt, just the same amount, I'll go edit tweak. I'll change that distance to say 150, be nice and even, and I'll say okay. And so now I've edited those tweak distance. I could also manually modify them, dragging on the end point of my trail line if I want to do it that way. But while we're down here, I can delete things, I can edit the time, edit the tweak, select things, etc. So it's a very handy way to edit our tweak components.